Hello everybody, this is going to be a quick update about GViewer, the game engine, and this also is going to be a little bit of an update on Megascript too, because I added a little, I haven't added, but I'm adding a little bit to it. Once I finish adding all the features, I'll upload it to SourceForge so that you guys can download it too. I want to apologize real quick for not uploading for very long. It's because I haven't had my medicine. They weren't refilling it, so I apologize for not uploading. I wasn't really able to do much. But anyway, let's jump right into it. So, it's still exactly the same engine, same stuff, but we've got some nice new features. So let's actually load something, that object, and then move it, root.world.imported mesh.position.x equals 6. There we go. So I've added transparency. So you do root.world.cube.transparency, and we're going to do 0.5. As you can see, the cube is a little bit transparent, and you can actually see through it, which is pretty cool. Now, it's pretty glitchy right now. Like, if I load a texture on this, so root.world.imported mesh.load texture hell.bmp. If I load a texture on there, unfortunately, I don't know why, but it really messes up whenever there's textures involved. The graphics that are being displayed were coded entirely from scratch by me. They're done with 4x4 matrices, and all the texturing is done too with depth correction, and all that is all done by the CPU with the code that I wrote. So unfortunately, there are going to be problems because it's still in development, and it's really hard to find bugs in a giant C program. But don't worry, I'll have it fixed out. I'll have it fixed, and also, eventually, I want to make this engine kind of like almost like this game engine will be able to be used to make games. Like, you'll be able to make games entirely in Megascript, and you'll be able to save files, load files. You'll be able to have an IDE, kind of like the Roblox Studio IDE, and you'll be able to actually build. You'll be able to build a map entirely from objects. It'll be really cool. And speaking of objects, let me show you something that I just added for objects. So now you can actually make a variable to point at an object. So let's say object A equals root.world.cube, and now we have the cube in that A variable. So we can go here and let's move this cube. So position.y equals 3, and as you can see, it moved the cube up, which is pretty cool. And one more thing that I've kinda added. I haven't really completely added this yet, but yeah, you can't manipulate it with Megascript yet, but it's in the works, and I'm gonna add it soon. So basically, if we go down here to wherever the hell it was, right here, we gotta compile it in order to change it. So we can have a GUI now. There's a GUI, so you can. So for example, I'm gonna make this rectangle 250 by 250, and I'm gonna put it 50 to the right and 50 down. And let's change the color. Let's do, okay, so root or rect struct dot color, and we're gonna make this equal. There's the blue. Let's make it green. Why not? Let's make it green. So 255. Move over and wait. Let me do a parentheses 255 and then move that over by 8 bits. There we go. So now we've got green here. Well, actually, this is probably going to be like kind of like almost maybe a turquoise or a cyan. Actually, it might be cyan. Let's see. I think it's going to be cyan. So let's compile it, and we're going to go in, and we're going to look at what has happened here. And yeah, there we go. Look at that. It's cyan. And you're going to be able to add GUI elements with Megascript, and also pretty soon I'm going to be adding event oriented programming. So you'll be able to have like an on-clicked event on like a button, and then it will run all the functions that have been applied to that event, and it'll be really, really cool. But anyway, let's see what else. I think there's like one more thing I did. So oh yeah, I also removed the automatic loading of initialize.mega, just because it's more it's like more user driven that way, so that you can, like, if you want, you can include it, but by default it's just gonna be I'm gonna be turning this into a DLL soon, so you'll be able to do that, and you'll be able to use it in both C++ and C, so it'll be really cool. But we've also but whenever I make Megascript into a standalone language like Python, it's gonna automatically do that. You don't even have to worry about that. It's gonna be part of the interpreter of the system. So you'll be able to just do, like, for example, you would open the terminal and then type Megascript and then the file that you want to run, and then it would just run it, and it would have all the standard libraries already. But anyway, so oh yeah, I haven't actually done this yet. This is just here to whenever I'm adding something, I usually put it here so that I don't forget to do it later. But yeah, you're gonna be able to actually create objects with Megascript, and it'll be really cool. But anyway, this is just a quick update. I hope it's pretty simple. I haven't added that much, but I just wanted to update you guys because I haven't made a video in a while. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And oh wait, one more thing. Okay, I remembered just now. So now the world object actually has some things that you can change. So you can do FOV equals 90, and that changes the FOV. As you can see, it changes the FOV. So, and then we've also got root.world.skyColor, and then we would put in a 32-bit integer for the color. So as you can see, that changed it to really bright blue, and then we can do world.skyColor equals, and then we're gonna do, let's say we want green, so we can do 255 and then move that over by 8 bits. And in fact, actually, since we're doing only that, we don't have to do that. We don't have to do a parenthesis, so we can just do that, and oh my god, that's bright. Oh my god. Okay, world color, that's sky color. Let's do let's do a little bit darker green. 100, and then we're gonna do a full blue. And oh, that's actually pretty nice. That's great. That's a really nice color. But yeah, hope you guys think that this update was cool. I'm hopefully gonna I'm gonna make a website for Megascript. I just need to find my card and like get a domain, and then also get a server set up. I'm probably gonna use Cloudflare to act as the proxy so that I don't get fucking DDoSed. But yeah, I hope you guys think this was cool, and if you look forward to more stuff like this, just leave a comment and let me know. It really helps my motivation whenever people message about my projects. But yeah, see you guys.